In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a portfolio website in Google Sites. Now this will be a step-by-step tutorial, and I'll show you exactly what you need to do. Now, what is the purpose of creating a portfolio? So a portfolio is essentially to show your work, to show your skills, so you can essentially get hired, right? So I'm not going to show you like the features of Google Sites, I'm going to show you strictly how you can use them to create a portfolio website. So my aim here is to create the best video on creating a portfolio website in Google Sites. So first what you want to do is go to Google Sites, sites.google.com, and you'll be taken to this page. Now here what you can do, if you go ahead and click on Template Gallery, you can then choose from any of these templates, or you can choose a blank site. Now what I recommend you do, go and have a look at some of these templates. This one here is pretty good, this portfolio template. You've also got, if you go to small businesses, you've got photo portfolio, and that's pretty much it for the portfolio templates. You've also got student portfolio here. Now, you can go ahead and create a portfolio from blank, or you can create one from a template. I'm going to use this portfolio template here. We're going to customize some stuff together. I'm going to show you here some tips and tricks on how you can create the best one for you. So once you've opened this portfolio template, it's going to start off with this strip here. So you've got your introduction, you've got a photo of yourself, then you've got here your selected work, and get in touch. Now, in my opinion, this portfolio is missing your work. Like, you need to put examples of your work. You've also got an about page, which I would just remove. I would just keep everything on one page, on the home page. You've also got project page here, where I guess you could show your work. Now, I want to show my work first because my work is the most important. If you ask me, like, a portfolio should showcase your work. So first what we can do, we can just go ahead and fill this out. So my name is Bradley Harrison, and then maybe I want to say here, hi, I'm Bradley. I create, let's say, YouTube thumbnails. Let's say that I'm creating a portfolio because I'm a YouTube thumbnail designer and I want to get clients here so I can start making money, right? Creating YouTube thumbnails. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this so we can emphasize YouTube thumbnails. And I'm also going to make this a little bit bigger. Now you can select this text and then you can change everything regarding the text up here. You can underline, make stuff italic, bold. You can resize things. So that is what I'm going to do. So we're going to leave that here. And I'm also going to replace this image. Now to replace the image, what you can do, you can just go ahead and remove it. And if you go to Google Sites and go on the right here, this is going to be all of the elements here you can add. So I'm going to first click on an image and click upload. And I've already got an image which I'm going to upload, which is going to be this one. So I can then upload this. Now I want to drag this into the section over here, and you can obviously choose where you want this to go exactly. So that looks quite good for me. I can also drag out this text box so it kind of like takes up more space here. Hi, I'm Bradley. I create YouTube thumbnails. So this is going to be my opening statement. And now what we can do is we can start to show our work. Now you're working in like blocks here. So this is going to be block 1. Then here you've got selected work, which is going to be block 2. Now there's kind of like a gap here, which I may want to delete. So if I just click on it, I can just go ahead and click delete here. And maybe I want to change this selected work to my work, or here's what I can do for you. So here's what I can do. Now what I would do is I would go ahead and upload some of my work here. Now these are images by default. If you were like, say, a video editor, you can also upload videos. Now, there's 3 images here on a row. Let's say we wanted to just delete this row completely, and we can start like fresh. So if we deleted everything here, you can go here onto the right, and you can go ahead and choose a content block if you wanted to. So this is what by default it's showing you, right? It's a content block of 3 different images. There are other ones you can add as well. You can also, if you scroll down here, you can add image carousels, which is good for showing some of your work. Now, if you wanted to upload a video, you can upload a YouTube link here. But obviously, I don't have a video to upload right now. What I'm going to do is upload some thumbnails. So let's pretend that we're a thumbnail designer still. So I'm going to go ahead and upload an image. Right, so we don't want this here because this is getting us to upload Google Slides, which is pretty useless for us. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete all of these. And we're going to go ahead and add in here a content block, and we'll add in this content block here, which I added before. Then you can click on this, and here you can upload YouTube, you can upload from Drive, select image, or we'll just upload an image that I've got on my computer. So let me just find an image here for you. Remember, I'm talking about creating thumbnails, so I'll just upload some of my example thumbnails here. Now I'm going to resize this. Now you can see when I upload that, it's obviously not showing the whole thumbnail. For me to show the whole thumbnail, I want to just click on the image. Then I can click here and say uncrop. And there you go, you've now got your image. And I could probably say here, thumbnail example 1. Now you might want to show logos here if you're a logo designer. And you can obviously add whatever you want here. I'm going to delete this text box because it's not needed. And this text again, you can also edit however you want. So I'm just going to fill out this with thumbnails and then I will be back. Okay, so you can see here my portfolio is starting to come together. I actually think it's looking pretty professional. Let me just re-drag this here so it's centered. Okay, so there we go. We've got the portfolio coming together. Hi, I'm Bradley. I create YouTube thumbnails, picture of myself. Here's what I can do. And obviously you could add as many as you want here. Maybe I want a video as well showing what I can do. So maybe I want to then drag in YouTube and then upload a video. So for me, I'm just going to copy the link to a YouTube video that I've got. So copy link address. And obviously you will need to have your own media for this to work. I'm just kind of showing you some elements here and how you could use them on your thumbnail. So maybe this video is a video showing your clients what you can do, right? Maybe you want this here. So you can see you can start to create your portfolio and make it look as professional as possible. Just make sure you edit these strips at a time. So do one strip here, then another strip, then this is going to be another one. And then here you could say get in touch at bradleyharrison@gmail.com. Now, if you wanted to change the colors of this, you can go to section colors and you can go ahead and change through these styles or go to themes here and you can obviously change this completely. Look. So this is going to change the style across your whole website. So you can choose something which is on brand. You can even choose custom colors as well. So that's quite handy. Also, you can change like the font styles and stuff like that. Look, see, there you go. So that looks okay. And you've got to play around with this and change the different styles. Maybe we'll go with a red. Yeah, so you've got to go ahead and edit this and be careful editing this and just take your time with it. And you can create a good looking portfolio website. Now, if you don't want any of these pages up here, like about or project page, you can just delete them. The way to do that is to go to pages, and here you've got your about and project page here, which you can just go ahead and delete, and then delete the project page. If you wanted to create new pages, you would go ahead and click here, click new page, and then you can obviously write a new page. Maybe you want to write here prices, click done. And then you can obviously go ahead and insert different elements. So you want to insert your text box, or maybe you want an image and text. And obviously you can build out your website here and start to create a professional looking portfolio. Now, from this example, I actually think this is a really good example. But you're going to have different needs. You're going to have different ways of showing what you've created. And maybe you're not a thumbnail designer. Maybe you're a video editor. In that case, you want to embed videos of your work here. But those are basically all the elements that you can use to create a good looking portfolio in Google Sites. Once you're happy, you want to click publish in the top right hand corner. And then it's going to give you a custom Google Sites domain. Alternatively, you can add a custom domain. I've made many videos on that. So just go ahead and search on YouTube. I'll probably come up. Or you can go ahead and search on my channel, custom domain Google Sites. Anyway, click on publish. So I'm going to publish your website. And then if you go here to view published site, here's your portfolio website, which is actually looking really good. Hi, I'm Bradley. I create YouTube thumbnails. Here's what I can do. And here's a video. Get in touch at bradleyharrison@gmail.com. So I think this is looking very professional. You can create something similar just in like 10-15 minutes. Thank you for watching. If you've got any questions, put them in the comment section below.